Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. This is Street Trade coming at you with another video lesson for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of NTLA, NTLA Therapeutics Incorporated Healthcare Sector. Let's get right into it. So, we had this not on our daily trade ideas, but was a part of our weekly watch list going into the sessions week. We obviously had a game plan that we plotted for everybody on this past weekend, and this is one of those things we talk about. Plot your levels and wait. Straight up, just wait. When your levels get breached, obviously you set alerts for yourself. When levels get breached, you put on risk, and then you manage risk, right? So this thing, one of those securities on a watch list that obviously you plot for the session or for the week, for that matter, or for the month, however you do it. And you can be completely wrong, or it's going to take time for this idea of yours to come into fruition. And this is how it works for us. Sometimes we get involved and we put something on our list and we don't get triggered till the end of the week. And this was a perfect example. Triggered on Thursday. So it triggered. We weren't obviously looking at it pre-market, but it gave us what we wanted once our particular levels got breached. We got involved, got stopped out. This was a battle. We definitely earned this money yesterday, but more importantly, it ended up being a fantastic trade after the battle, right? And just because you're getting involved, just because your levels are getting breached and your plan is coming into fruition, doesn't mean everything's gonna unfold as you had planned for. And that's why you got to manage your risk, right? And at the end of the day, we have no problem taking a number of different L's, just to mitigate and understand that, listen, I'm not getting married to anything, right? If we're wrong, we're wrong, but we're gonna be wrong small. So we took a couple of cuts in the beginning of the trade, kept fighting, levels kept holding, higher highs, higher lows. It was just textbook. And when it was ready, not when we were ready, but when the security was ready, it took it straight up to our target, and it was just a beautiful trade. But again, we had to work for it. All right, so don't get down on yourself. You get involved in security and you get stopped out, or it's not working when you expect it to. A lot of times you're going to get involved and you're just going to be early. So two things: you're either going to have to withstand the storm and watch it go against you a little bit, or just get out, right, and take a step back. And it really depends on how you want to do it. We'd rather get out and then come back in with half size or quarter, whatever it is, and do it that way. And then we ended up scaling it. So it ended up being a very solid trade, but again, we worked for it. We definitely earned it. So let's get into the details of it, and ended up being very, very solid to the upside. Sure, this wasn't on a lot of people's radar. So if you caught it, congratulations, good for you. All right, let's get into it, guys.